Hey y'all, welcome back to Cajun Country Living. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. If you've been watching and going on this journey with us, thank you so much for continuing to watch. This week's been kind of wild. One day earlier in the week, we got like 5.5 inches of rain in 4 hours. So everything got flooded, everything got soaked. You can see we don't have a roof over this thing yet. So all of the lumber, everything got wet. Now it's all drying back out. And we got 2 days of heavy winds. One day it was gusting up to like 50 miles an hour or close to it. So a lot of our bracing and things are not exactly perfect. Everything's not still exactly level like we want it to be. So before we get too much further off into this, we're gonna have to straighten this bracing up, re-level everything, because what we have done, we don't want to be going forward and build walls that are not level. So anyway, we hope you enjoy this episode and thank you so much for joining. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do here, this wall needs to come in this direction, and I'm the only one here today. Lydia and Ladley is gone for the day, so it's pretty much just gonna be the Jimbo show today. So I have to put something to help me. So what I've done is run this rope around this corner right here, drove a stake at an angle, and I'm gonna use a ratchet system with this rope to pull the building back square. Then I can tie it off, then I can install my braces along the side. So on this end, I didn't use the stake and I didn't use the rope. I know it's kind of backwoods, but we used the tongue of the RV to pull the corner in. That way I didn't have to mess with the rope and all that kind of good stuff. Watch them, Gus. You better watch them. They're gonna get you. You big coward. Well, I decided to stop working on the house today. I put in a pretty good day by myself, I think. So what I like to do every evening is come down here to the pond. This is the pond that we dug out to get the dirt for our driveway and house pad and all of that stuff. So we got it dug out and it filled up water. We stocked it with catfish and perch and all that kind of good stuff. So I like to come down here every evening and try to feed them a little bit. And you'll be able to see here in just a second, they know what's about to happen. Look at the water. Look at them, here they come.
Hey y'all, so I just got back and I wanted to run through the house tour and see for the first time what Jim has been doing all weekend. So I thought I'd go ahead and bring y'all along with me. So right now I'm walking in the second bathroom. And this one will be a utility room with a door over here. Hey y'all, what you been doing all weekend? I have our washer and dryer right over here in this corner. That's why we went ahead and put a pipe right there that connects out, because we're gonna put a sink and then washer and dryer. And this will be the master bedroom with a closet. And this is the master bath. Oh, hey Gus Gus. Hey Gus Gus. Gus, okay, that's all, that's all. Here's for the toilet. There'll be a vanity here. That's for the bath, shower. And this is what we are gonna be working on today. It is the bedroom. Well, this one will end up being Ladley's bedroom. And it will go about to right here. So lucky for me, Jim has almost all the inside walls done, but he's an overachiever and he used all of our 2x4s. So we gotta wait till we get a few more of them. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and put on the top plates.
That's right. I know if y'all watched our last video, y'all's probably rolling your eyes if you know anything about building a house and wondering why we didn't put the top plate on. For the simple reason, one, for the weight, we were standing up these walls by ourselves. And another one is we didn't want to joint every 10 feet. We wanted to put some long stuff up there to help it, you know, make it stronger. So that's what we're doing now. We're falling back and we're putting in the longer 2x4s across the top because we ran out of studs. Perfect time to do it.
Alrighty.
So one thing that we was really careful to do is everywhere we had a wall butt against another wall to tie in, we overlapped the top plate at every joint to make sure that the top plate went in the opposite direction of the other tie-in point. That way it's really, really strong. One thing that we don't really mention a whole lot is the fact that we're not carpenters. We're not architects. We're nothing more than just country people that we want to build our own home. And we believe that you can do anything that you want to do. If you have the desire and you have the drive, now the world's at your fingertips. With a click of a mouse, tapping that screen, you can find out anything you want to find out. And if you have the want to, you can do this. You don't have to pay somebody to do everything that you want to do at your home. So think about that, let that soak in. This is probably not going to turn out perfect because we're not carpenters. But it's going to be good, and when we get done with this thing, we can turn around, stick the key in the door and say we did that. That was on us. We didn't pay one soul to come out here and do this for us. We just took charge of what we wanted to do, and we got it done.